Here's a step-by-step guide on preparing financial statements in simple everyday language. Step 1. Gather your financial information. Collect all the important numbers and documents related to your business finances. This includes records of money you've earned, income, money you've spent, expenses, and any transactions or investments you've made. Step 2. Start with the income statement. The income statement shows how much money your business has made and spent over a certain period of time, like a month or a year. Add up all your sales or revenue and subtract your expenses to calculate your net income or profit. Include things like sales, costs of goods sold, salaries, rent, and other expenses. Step 3. Move on to the balance sheet. The balance sheet gives you a snapshot of your business's financial health at a specific point in time. List your assets, things your business owns, like cash, inventory, or equipment, and your liabilities, things your business owes, like loans or bills. Calculate the difference between your assets and liabilities to find your owner's equity or net worth. Step 4. Lastly, the cash flow statement. The cash flow statement shows how money has moved in and out of your business during a specific time period. It's divided into 3 sections: operating activities, money from sales and expenses, investing activities, money spent on investments or assets, and financing activities, money from loans or equity. Add up all the cash inflows and outflows to see if your business is generating more cash than it's spending. Step 5. Review and double-check. Go through each financial statement carefully and make sure all the numbers and calculations are accurate. Look for any mistakes or errors and correct them. It's important to have accurate financial statements to make informed decisions about your business. Step 6. Seek professional help if needed. If you're unsure about preparing financial statements or need assistance, consider consulting with an accountant or a financial professional. They can provide guidance, review your statements, and help to ensure your accuracy. Lastly, by following these steps and being diligent in preparing your financial statements, you'll have a clearer understanding of your business's financial situation, which can help with decision-making and planning for the future. For more street smart business skills, join learnaccountingfast.com. Click the link below now.